Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a return subscriber, welcome back. Everything that I use in this video will be listed down below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video. I'm starting off with this NYX palette and I'm using the orangish yellow color as a transition color. And you want to make sure that you build this color up, not too much, but just enough that it shows through. And with this palette, I'm going in with this orange color and I'm going to be using that underneath the transition color, pretty much in my natural crease area. And I'm just tapping it into place before blending it out. And you want to make sure that you build this color up as well. And you want to make sure that when you're blending out the shades that you're not going too far up into that transition color, but far up enough that you can see both shades. Now that I have that orange where I want it to be, I'm going back in with that yellow shade and adding just a little bit more so I can have an even more smoother transition. And again, I want that yellow to show through, but not that much. And right here, I put a little too much, but that's okay because all you have to do is continue blending and it will fade out. And now that I have that where I want it, I'm going in with this reddish color. It's like a reddish burgundy. And I'm going to add that right on top as well as under that orange shade. And I'm also going to build this up. And I'm just applying a little at a time and then blending out the edges because I want to make sure that all three colors flow together. And now I'm going back in with that orange shade just to clean up the edges between that orange and that red. You can use a clean brush, but I'm just using that brush with the yellow on it and I'm just making sure that all the colors blend together. And for the cut crease, I'm gonna use the guide method. All you do is apply some concealer close to your lash line and then look up. It's going to leave a little mark right there, which is going to be like a transfer of the concealer, and you're just gonna follow that along the way. And so that edge won't be harsh, I'm going to take this concealer brush to kind of blend that out just a little bit. Whatever red is remaining on the brush is what I use to kind of clean up that area just a little bit, just so again I don't have any harsh lines and I can fade those two together. And for the shimmer, I'm going to take this champagne color and I'm just going to apply that right where I did that concealer. And you can use your finger to apply this, but I wanted to just use a brush so that the product don't be all over my hands. And I feel like the red wasn't showing through at the top like I wanted it to, so I'm just going to go in and apply a thin line of that same red eyeshadow. And I'm going to go ahead and do the eyeliner on camera right here. I'm just starting off with the wing first, using that eyeshadow shield as a guide, and then making a line at the top, filling in the space as you will see me doing here. And then I will add a thin line from the inner corner and work my way towards the back. And then I'm also going to finish the other eye off camera, and I'll be back once it's time to do the rest of the face. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Again, everything that I use will be listed down below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video, and I will see you all in the next one.